What the heck?
What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today, the moment you've all been waiting for, we're finally putting an exhaust on my beautiful R1M, aka Rain Baby. Now, as I've stated many times, I've ordered an exhaust I ordered it on January 6th. Today is March 16th, so almost like 9-10 weeks ago, and it's still not here. Some of you are gonna disagree with me, some of you are gonna agree with me, but I feel unsafe riding around with the stock exhaust on this bike because you can't hear anything. Like in Miami, I don't know if you guys could tell, some of you could probably tell from the videos, but like you couldn't hear my bike, like no one around me could hear my bike, no cars could hear my bike, and that's just, I don't know. I didn't feel safe riding around with the stock exhaust. So I was like, I gotta do something. In the meantime, while I wait for my yes, I ordered a full titanium exhaust. It's gonna be insane once it actually gets here. So I got this in the meantime. Now I'm gonna show you guys the install on the exhaust, and then we'll get into actual sound clips of this thing. But this thing just sounds absolutely insane. Now I didn't want to shell out the money for another $1,000 exhaust, knowing that I have another one coming and hopefully within the next month or two. So we got something temporary, something cheap, something that I can put on, enjoy, and either just throw away once I'm done or give it away or something like that. I don't know. Comment down below if one of y'all would be interested in me just giving this exhaust away to one of y'all. And if you don't like it, if you don't agree with me, then I honestly don't care. If you don't like the exhaust that I choose, I've got a suggestion. Go buy an R1M and put whatever exhaust you want in it, because guess what? I'm not gonna care. I'm not trying to be a dick. Some of y'all just, the comments, man. Like, this is my bike. If we all modded our bikes the exact same way, then they would all look the same. Now it is like 3 in the morning, so my neighbors hate me right now, but that doesn't sound bad, but I don't think it sounds good. There's still a lot of potential left. Jeez. Also, excuse how dirty this is. I'm gonna wash it first thing tomorrow. It just was on the back of a trailer, so it got really, really dirty. But we gotta take these two, 1 and 2 off here. All right, next we're gonna take a, what is this, 10mm socket? Yep, 10mm socket, and we're gonna loosen these clamps here. And we do have another clamp over here as well. All right, yeah, so there's one screw back behind here that you gotta get. I don't know if you both see that, but it's back up under there, and then you gotta take this screw off here right in front of this rear brake pad. So we just loosened this O2 sensor. All right, so we got one O2 sensor unplugged. And let's do the other side. Other O2 sensor is right here on the other side of the bike. All right, now we got the other one out and about. We're good to go, baby. That looks weird. All right, guys, so we do gotta get to the servo motor in here, so we gotta take the seat off. And if you have R1M, you gotta take this passenger seat off, which is 2 bolts in here. All right, so we got these 4 screws off. Honestly, you don't even need to take off the rear seat. Already took it off, but yeah, you definitely don't need to do that in order to remove this, but we already did it. So, all right, and then there's one big bolt for the servo motor in here. So we're gonna undo this. Now we're gonna go ahead and unscrew these 4 bolts from the servo motor up here. All right, covers off. All right, now we're gonna take a 10mm wrench and we're gonna do these nuts down at the bottom down here. Screw it all the way out on both sides. This bad boy all the way out. Alright. Oh, that gave me enough wiggle room right there. Alright, pull that out. I'm gonna pull this out. Look at that. Alright, so you just pull these cables out. Boom, boom. We're gonna unplug this. So I actually have a servo buddy coming. Should be here by Friday. You would plug your servo buddy into here. Alright, so I got the servo buddy here from Woodcraft. And we're literally just gonna plug it in. That's it. Weight savings, baby. Alright, there's one cable. There's two cables. Wow, that frees up a lot of room back here. Now this bad boy should honestly just wiggle off. There it goes. Nice. Damn, yeah, this thing is heavy, dude. Oh my God. That's absurd how heavy this is. All right, so now we've got the pipes. I went ahead and put all the springs on here just to make it easy. This is really easy. Like I didn't even have to like use pliers or anything to put these springs on. And then we'll put the clamps on. And then we got the little bungs for the O2 sensors to go in here. So let's go ahead and get this rolling. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got the new eBay exhaust installed on there. Man, I'm super pumped to hear what this thing sounds like. It's finally gonna wake this bike up. Now I do have to be at work in literally 10 minutes, so I'm just gonna go for a quick rip. I want to give you guys my genuine impression and thoughts on this thing. So let's go ahead and get this cold start going, babe. How's it going?
Pretty good, yourself?
Good.
Sweet, right?
Thank you. It's gonna be very obnoxious here in a second. All right, here we go. Oh snap! Oh my gosh! Finally, rain is alive. We have awoken the beast. My neighbors are literally gonna hate me. Oh my God. And you can feel, I gotta put the servo body on, but you can literally, oh my God. You can feel where it's losing the bottom and power from the servo body not being on there. But, oh, it feels like a motorcycle now. Oh my God. Wow. Let's go! What in the world? This is actually nuts. Oh snap! Hey, let's go! You are no longer neutered. But dude, this thing is literally so loud. Holy cow. Like, I can't even believe how loud this thing is now. Lane. We're back, baby. Let's go.
Down low, up top. On my way to the bag at the bus stop. Some blow, some flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop, keep going. I got this mantra in my head, it make me keep flowing. Pull shots, keep pouring. It's no more rocket, my head got no release for it.
It's nighttime and we're back, baby. But y'all tell me how this audio is. I've been working so hard with the audio. It's been really frustrating, but we got a completely new helmet setup, completely new mic setup, camera setup, everything. So hopefully this turns out well for you guys. This feels like a brand new bike, dude. It is absolutely insane. Oh, we got a state trooper, boy. Nice. I do not want those problems, my friend. I'm definitely gonna give him his space. Respect to the boys in blue, man. Everything they do to keep us safe. Oh. What the heck? How do you end up in the sign? Oh man, I hope everyone's okay. God, I hate seeing this kind of stuff, dude. What in the world? How the hell do you end up over there? Now I really want you guys to get a full understanding for the flames that this bike shoots. Like, it's actually absurd. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up well enough, but I mean, watch this, dude. Let's go, baby! Like, what? You can't tell me that's not nuts. Yeah, I think this will hold me over for a little bit until my other exhaust comes in. I mean, dude, that is absurd. And those are my two main requirements for an exhaust. I really am not too worried about the performance. I want it to sound good and I want it to shoot massive flames. If we did those two things, I am happy. I'm not trying to have the fastest R1M in the world. That's not my goal with this bike. I want to be able to do a multitude of things. So let's do that again. Oh my God, that never gets old. That will just never, ever, ever get old. Let's go. That is insane, dude. Like, what? Oh man, that will just never fail to put a smile on my face. I can guarantee you that much. Like a little kid in a candy store with that. I just shift for no reason now. Just because the sound it makes when it shifts are just nuts. Like, upshifting and downshifting is just fun. One, because of the quick shifting, two, because of the sound, dude. guys, man, if y'all enjoyed that video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the Fast Lane gang, babe. Woo! Man, this bike, absolutely beautiful, and the crazy part is, we're just getting started.